How to get kids to plant garden seeds. As long as they have enough time to mature before the fall frost, seeds can be started in the garden virtually any time. The seeds should be large enough for small fingers to handle, so the smaller the children, the bigger the seeds should be. Here are some beneficial seeds to sow: nasturtium, peas, beans, sunflowers, and squash. These plants will sprout and develop quickly, making them fascinating objects for children to observe. Calculate and monitor plant development under various lighting and watering circumstances. Even though the plants might not live until you can plant them in the garden, it is always exciting to watch them sprout and begin to grow. Growing a garden with children. Begin modestly. The best approach to put a stop to gardening interest is to make it appear like a laborious work. For the younger crowd, a layout the size of a sandbox works well. Allow them to use their own sturdy, kid-sized tools, and prepare for them to become muddy and wet. Create small raised beds that are simple for them to reach into but prevent them from climbing in and walking on the plants to set them up for success. So that they can distinguish between what is a garden and what is not, let them demarcate the boundaries with pebbles and the walks with stepping stones or mulch. Ask them to make plant tags with pictures for people who cannot read. Species for a children's garden. What kinds of fruits and flowers are best for children to plant? Point them in the direction of big seeded or quickly expanding plants, like pole beans, maize, morning glory, sunflowers, radishes, cucumbers, and pumpkins. Let them choose what to grow, but also keep the number of options age appropriate for your own sanity. Typically, children's attention spans decrease as they get younger. If you need more information, just click the link below the video. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more life-changing content and hit the like button. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day.